With the presentation of the MINI Vision Urbanaut virtual vision vehicle in November 2020, the MINI brand revealed an all-new interpretation of mobility through an innovative vision of space. And now the BMW Group is set to unveil a physical model of the vehicle which will allow audiences to engage more extensively with the spatial concept and sustainable materials at work. The model will be given its world premiere on July 1, 2021 at the DLD Summer conference in Munich. MINI sees its future self primarily as an enabler of and companion for unforgettable times, what we're calling MINI moments. Inspired by the question, what kind of experiences do I want to have with my vehicle, they provide the conceptual platform for the MINI Vision Urbanaut, for times when you're traveling and others when you're not. What this means more specifically is encapsulated up by the MINI moments chill, wanderlust and vibe. The exterior and interior of the vehicle change to reflect the MINI moment at hand and so give the onboard experience the best possible stage and spatial environment. Fragrance, sound and ambient lighting continue to enrich the baseline mood initiated by the chosen MINI moment. The transformation of the vehicle through the different moments can now also be experienced in stunning reality thanks to the creation of a physical model of the MINI Vision Urbanaut. The chill moment invites you to catch a breath and pause in the here and now. The car becomes a kind of retreat, a haven where you can relax or work with full concentration. While the rear seat bench, cozy corner, invites various seating and lying positions, the backlit loop above it takes on an appearance inspired by a green forest canopy, and can also be dimmed. In the central area, the circular instrument folds down to become a table lamp, eliminating displays or switches that might remind the customer of their automotive surroundings. Wanderlust is the only MINI moment where the MINI Vision Urbanaut is being driven or driving with automated driving functions. In this moment, the interior becomes the ideal place for driving the car or being driven by it, and enables those on board to rediscover the romance of travel. When the customer wants to drive themselves, a tap of a finger on the MINI logo brings out the steering wheel and pedals. And the user interface on the central circular instrument also adapts its visuals. Alongside an animation of the route, additional journey information, such as visitor attractions and arrival time, is displayed here for those on board. The vibe moment puts time with other people at center stage, in every way. Opening the side door and folding up the windscreen creates a welcoming scene that blurs the boundaries between the outside and inside. The central circular instrument becomes a media control center. An animation of graphic equalizers moving with the music is projected onto surfaces of the front, rear, wheels and loop above the rear seat bench, creating a pleasant club atmosphere. If those on board so desire, the car could even begin to resemble a boombox. And then there is the fourth option, the customizable My Moment, which provides users with further scope for tailoring the design of the vehicle to their needs and desires. The interior of the MINI Vision Urbanaut features a high proportion of recycled materials, and the materials used are almost exclusively renewable and recyclable. The dominant material in the interior are textiles made from recycled materials, including wool, polyester and tencel, which blend coziness and quality with softness and comfort. The designers also paid extra attention to solutions composed of a single type of material, what are known as mono-materials. These are easy to recycle further down the line and can be turned into new products. The use of renewable and recyclable cork on the steering wheel and sections of the floor adds a special touch, thanks to its natural feel, and ensures an authentically pleasant interior climate. All in all, the materials concept for the MINI Vision Urbanaut highlights the extremely high levels of visual and haptic quality that a sustainably designed interior can offer. The MINI Vision Urbanaut covers all sensory angles in creating the perfect onboard experience. A key element of the interior design is therefore a carefully honed approach to fragrance and sound. The holistic approach addressing all the senses creates a truly unique and unforgettable experience, explains Annabelle Coffinett, fragrance designer at the BMW Group. A distinctive fragrance signature sticks in the mind and can remind you of a positive atmosphere and overall experience. In this way, we are creating another, very personal connection with particularly memorable times. We also wanted to link the MINI brand identity with a fragrance signature for the first time. This waft of something intangible, refreshing and unexpected brings emotion to how the brand's message is communicated, a kind of international signature with a high recognizability factor. It will be discreet and revealed as part of a welcome scenario. Bringing balance to the sensory experience, Renzo Vitali, creative director sound, gives the various textures of the welcome scenario fragrance and audible form. As well as the welcome sound, he also composed the music for the chill, vibe and wanderlust moments. In the chill moment, the vehicle wraps the user in the subtle soundscapes of a forest, with rustling leaves and flowing water filling the interior, a fitting complement to the dimmable forest canopy effect. Acoustic sounds set the seal on the relaxation-rich experience. The wanderlust and vibe moments are accompanied by a soundtrack of specially composed music which can be played both inside and outside the vehicle.
Subscribe to Auto TV.